I might want to restart that.
Yeah. Now you might want to restart the video.
No, it's fine. It was only 7 seconds. No, barely that, but... Okay. Ready? Ready?
Sure.
Ready? Okay, let's go.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where the time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where the plans we made for two. Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. It's even harder to make it. It's too late to try. And in the time that you wasted, all of the bridges burned down. I wasted my nights. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where the time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Here are the plans we made for two. If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. You turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I never said it before, but all of the bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where the time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. We are the plans we made for two. If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of shit. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone.
Man, fuck that shit. I be out spending all this money while you sitting around wondering why it wasn't you who came up from nothing. Made it from the bottom, now when you see me I'm starting. And all of my calls are with a push of a button. Telling me I changed since I blew up or whatever you call it. Switch the number to my phone so you never could call it. Don't need my name on my shirt, you could tell it I'm ballin'. Switch, what a shame, could've got picked. Had a really good game, but you missed your last shot. So you talk about who you see at the top or what you could've saw. But sad to say it's over for. Phantom pull up, valet, open doors. Wish like go away, got what you was looking for. Now it's me who they want, so you can go and take that little piece of shit with you.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where the time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If we ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All the fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. I like my hair messy.
You do or don't?
Don't.
Then you should have brushed it.
I feel like it.
Okay, so this is my friend's, my sister's. Ow! This is my sister's friend, Kennedy, also my neighbor, kind of cousin. And so she just walked over to my house, scared the crap out of me.
Good.
And so I decided to make this video while she was here because I didn't want to do it alone. Because I felt like someone's gonna creep up on me. And there's people upstairs. I think they left. But oh well. Did you see a car when you were here? In the road besides the Blazer in the van?
No.
Okay, so yeah, they're gone. And her name's Kennedy. I call her Kenny because I can never get her name right. When we like Sour Patch Watermelon Kids.
See, they're good.
And Dr. Pepper. Hey, those are mine.
I don't care.
That's gross.
What?
Copenhagen. It's not mine. Well, I'm going to end this video before it shuts off on us.
Bye.
It's Kenny and Alex.
I
Bye.
call Allie.
Or Allie, or Al, or Butthead, or
Whatever.
whatever. Just come up with what you want to call me.
Bye.
Bye.
You call her Boob Face.